Ozempic is a word which is widely heard. Now, this is a drug to control obesity issues. However, it is linked to issues which could be mainly affecting liver, kidney, and heart problems. So, China has created a new form which is called as GLP-1 drug. Now, GLP-1 therapies are highly important to target people with obese conditions. Now, what was very important at the initial stage, Chinese pharmaceutical companies actually focused on to make similar versions of Ozempic and Wegovy. However, later on they emerged as an innovator of a new drug, and this is GLP-1 drug. Now it comes in 5 different forms, and it is believed that this drug has been accredited to Daniel Ducker, who has been an endocrinologist at University of Toronto, Canada. Now the first one is ecnoglutide. Now this is one of the analogs of GLP-1. Now it's specifically targeting the blood sugar and weight loss, and the results are up to nearly 14 kg weight loss in 48 weeks. The next is mesdudite. Mesdudite is another one which mimics the GLP-1 and glucagon and reduces the body weight by 15% in 36 weeks. The next is UBT21 triple antagonist, which is GLP-1, glucagon and GIP, and it is injected bi-weekly. Weight loss, kidney and liver and diabetes are the major focus for it. Now if you look onto the developers of each of these 3 drugs, we'll come to the remaining 2 in a while. The developers are really important. Now these are Cyvine Biosciences, Eli Lilly and United Laboratories, Hankoing. Now all these drugs, their developers are important for your UPSC prelims point of view. The next 2 are bofaglutide and ASC30. Now again they are the bofaglutide is injectable, the other one is oral, and for the oral 6% weight loss has been seen, and for the other one they are enrolling participants for the trial stages. Now what are the benefits and the harms of this, and why China has become one of the key centers? Now China is one of the populations which is facing high conditions of obesity and diabetes, specifically in the Asian population in India and China. Now trials in China could be very important to understand the demographic conditions of Asians, and this would shift from mimicking the existing drugs to new drug discoveries. Now GLP-1 therapies, once they are brought in, they would be bringing more tailored treatment and would specifically focus on conditions related to obesity, diabetes, sleep apnea, fatty liver and kidney diseases. So personalized medicines would be more accessible specifically for diabetes and obesity in this case. So GLP-1 therapy, very important, highly expected question for your upcoming examination. We will be covering more important topics for UPSC prelims. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining in.